welcome you back to this channel. Thanks for watching, and if you are new on this channel, don't forget to click the like button, like this video, and subscribe to the channel so that you can see more upcoming video. Now, having said that, we will explore how to register for Oyo State Bursary 2024, and the registration will start by 1st of August. So I will put you through on how you can step by step register for it. Let's say what are some of the recommendations, what are the benefits. Now we have Oyo State Bursary. You know, when we are talking about bursary, Engineer Sheyi Makinde, he just announced it for the section for the 2024 to 2025. Is open for all Oyo State students, but note it is only for the final year student. It is only for the final year student, meaning that if you are not a final year student, you might not be considered for this bursary allowance. If you are undergraduate, HND, you are entitled to 100,000 naira. Yes, and if you are a final year clinical student, you are entitled to 500,000 naira. And if you are lucky to be in affiliation maritime student, you are also entitled to 500,000 naira. And those that are running their masters and PhD, which are also in the public Nigerian university, they will be entitled to 200,000 naira. So those are the benefits that are attached to today's Oyo State Bursary. Now, who are those that are required to apply? Who are those that are eligible? No, I've already mentioned that it is only meant for all final year students. So if you are in Nigerian university, if you are running your PhD, which is in the polytechnic, if you are a student, clinical student, excluding final year lost student. If you are a clinical student, excluding final year lost student, you are also eligible to apply. And finally, those that are affiliation and maritime student. So these are all the conditions that you have to be cognizant of before you applied. And let's move on to the requirement for Oyo State Bursary 2024. All these requirements, they are just to make sure that we place to ensure the proper regulations of the application. So the first requirement is letter of admission. Yes, you have to use your letter of admission provided by JAMB, and probably the institution itself, so that you can be considered. And you will also need to present your local government identification. And the third requirement is your course form, your currently signed course form, and it has to be signed by the HOD. Yes, it has to be signed by the HOD, meaning that you just print your course form and sign it with your HOD in your respective institution. And the final requirement is that of FOSSU. The abbreviation of FOSSU is the Federation of Oyo State Student Union. You just have to register. Don't worry, I will put the link on how to register. I'll put it in the description of this video, so that you can register as soon as possible. If you do not register for this FOSSU, you will not be considered. So do well to check the link in the description of this video. Now let's go into step-by-step guide on how to register for Oyo State Bursary 2024. Now that you have already prepared all the required documents, your admission letter, your local government identification, your currently signed course form, and also you have registered for the FOSSU, which is the Federation of Oyo State Student Union, and you have done that, and if you are yet to do that, check the link in the description to go and register. Now the first thing you need to do is that you have to visit Oyo State Bursary official website. Now you can check the link in this you can check the link to this post in the description, so that you can have access to the official website. The link is in this post. In this very guide, you will see the link there. Is in the first link in the description. So after you enter the website, all you need to just do is that, let me click here now. So it has loaded. Say this is the Oyo State Bursary 2024 Award website. All you need to do is just to click on apply for bursary. You see it's loading now. This is the application form. You see now, as I just mentioned, it has already tell you that only the final year student. You see, these are all the recommendations. They are still like repeating, and all you need to do is just to press next. Just press next. See now, just press next and see all the data. These are all the biodata. These are all the requirements. All you need to do, I'm sorry, okay, all you need to do is just to fill all these details with all the necessary things, and everything you have already documented. And after you are done with that, I congratulate you. You have already applied for Oyo State Bursary 2024. Let's go back to the main website. So because there's some other guide for us. No, you see now, you'll be redirected to the application page, and the step 4 is that you have to take your time to review all your submission. Then you must print out the successful page of the application, because you will need it for further login, in order to be able to get your bursary. So do well to register the and also try and print a copy after your registration. So the deadline for the Oyo State Bursary 2024 is August 31st. Of August. So do well to register as soon as possible, so that you can be considered. And if you like this video, please try and click on this like button, so that more people can see it, and share with your friends and family. Subscribe to the channel, and I would love to see you on the next video. Bye.